Welcome to Techilipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change page border style on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. You can see in my document page border is already inserted. If you want to change this page border style, just click on Design tab and then at the corner you can see page border option, then just click here and that's it. From here you can customize your border style. Here you can see so many style and you can choose any page border style as you like. If I select it and then choose category, from here you can choose none, box, shadow, 3D and custom. If I select 3D, also if you want to change page border color, just click on color option and then choose any color as you like. Then click on OK and it's done. You can see your page border style has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change page border style on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.